Wanna move your WordPress website to a new host without losing a single file, post, or plugin? Stop wasting time with paid plugins and complicated tutorials. Because in this video, I'll show you the easiest and totally free way to migrate your WordPress website from one host to another host. No coding, no downtime, no stress. You literally move your site in a minute, like copy, paste, and done. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's migrate your site in smart way. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have two websites right here. One is write.runnasvfx.com. This is my destination site. And next is blogging.com. This is my development site. I want to migrate this entire website on this website. So let's see how we're gonna do it. But before we migrate, if I go to appearance and theme, you can see on the destination site, I have 2025 theme installed. On the development site, if I go to appearance and theme, and you can see I have the Astra theme installed. So let's migrate this entire website to another host. It could be the same host or it could be another hosting company. It doesn't matter. To start the process, we're going to install a plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. We are installing plugin on our development site. So here search for Migrate Guru. Install and activate this plugin. Click on install now and then click on activate. So on this page, type your email and check this box and click on migrate because we want to migrate this complete website. So on this page, you have to select your hosting company. If you do not see your hosting, simply click on other host. So now we need a migration key. To get it, let's go to your destination site and we're going to install the same plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add plugin. And here search for Migrate Guru. Install and activate this plugin on the destination site as well. Click on install now and then click on activate. Now same type of window will appear. So this time go to this migration key and expand this option. Copy the key by clicking here. So key has been copied. Come back to your development site, paste the key and click on migrate. So this process may take few minutes depending on the size of your website. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
So the migration process has begun. This is a total number of tables it has, and this is the total size of the website files. And below you can see the plugin is migrating site, copying file. As you can see, this is the progress bar. So again, I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, migration process has been completed successfully and we have successfully migrated this website to this one. To see the changes, let's simply click here, visit site, right click, open link in a new tab. So here we go. You can see we have successfully migrated our WordPress website with all the files, all the posts and pages and plugins, everything. So that's it. This is how easy it is to migrate your website from one host to another host or within the same host for completely free. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.